ẹni máa ríre. Òwúrọ̀ lọ́jọ́ ẹni máa ríre.
No relax, no gawking. Stay focused. A vision for your mission, your good mission. Already, oṣù onda tó, owó falala sẹ́nu. Wake up in the morning. Wake up in the morning.
Baby. Oh, kí ló tó pa láàmì yẹn náà?
Don't disturb me now.
Láàmì ṣe máa disturb them kí mo ní board meeting láàárọ̀ yìí.
Lọ́mọ ṣe did disturb me.
Ọba tí máa pa ṣé ọ̀nà mi fẹ́ san bíìlì wa? Jọ̀wọ́ kí mo ti pẹ́.
Remember, my brothers, my sisters, Rome was not built in a day. No relax, no gawking. Stay focused. A vision for your mission, your good mission. Already. Oṣù onda tó, owó falala sẹ́nu. Wake up in the morning, wake up in the morning, let's go to work.
Ọ̀rọ̀ tí ló kàn mí kan báyìí.
Ó gbóná o.
Jẹ́ ń lo spoon yẹn. Obìnrin.
Kí ló ṣe wá?
Breakfast, lunch, dinner.
For your mind.
You know it's done sí. Ṣé mo lè gba ọkọ mi báyìí?
On one condition.
Mo ṣáà dìrẹ́bù mọ́ mi lọ́wọ́ nílé yìí. Ṣé yẹn yẹn o máa ṣe kínní?
Ó smart lójú ara ẹni ẹ o.
Smart ló bá kọ́kọ́rọ́ mi.
Ó smart, okay. Wàá bá mi lálẹ́, má worry. Naughty man. Hello, ọ̀rẹ́ mi. Ṣé o ń lọ? Ṣọ́rọ̀ aṣọ yẹn? Don't worry, we are intact. Kí ló ṣe? Dọ́lápọ̀ fẹ́ pa ẹ́ báwo? Calm down, calm down. Imbolo wà. ó ṣá wà nílé. Ó dà mú bọ̀, dúró sílé mú bọ̀.
Rẹ̀mí, bí mo ṣe rí nìyẹn o, I was caught unaware.
Imú mà níkà o, kò jẹ́ ká gbóòórùn àṣebí.
Kò tiẹ̀ dínà yẹn, kó tó dùn mí jù ni. Dọ́lápọ̀ tí mi ò dínà yẹn. Can you imagine?
But dúró náà, báwo ni wọ́n ṣe mọ̀ gangan?
Ṣé Ọlọ́run tó fẹ́ kí ìyà jẹ mí ni? Tí ó fẹ́ kí tèmi gbé nílé Dọ́lápọ̀ lójú káṣírí ẹ̀ tú sí mi lọ́wọ́. That Sunday morning, àti dress up àti fẹ́ máa lọ sí church. Mo kò dalẹ̀ mo like bó ṣe múra yìí o, mo bá gba fóònù ẹ̀ pé kí n tẹ̀ take picture. Kò dẹ̀ sí nǹkan tọ́kọ mi ò fi sórí fóònù tán. Password oríṣiríṣi ni. Ọ̀tọ̀ tó wà tó bá fẹ́ ka messages, ọ̀tọ̀ tó wà tó bá fẹ́ open picture, oríṣi password lọ́kọ mi sí. Ringtone ẹ̀ báyìí silent ló wà always. So ibẹ̀ lára ti kọ́kọ́ fún mi pé what are you hiding for God's sake? But ọmọ ìyẹn tí gbọ́dọ̀ suspect much náà kọ́ máa rò pé wàhálà wa obìnrin pọ̀. Tí mo ṣe gba fóònù yẹn báyìí take picture báyìí mo tẹ̀ ti yà tán mo mọ̀ àwa obìnrin àṣà tó fẹ́ sniff àtàtà opportunity ti password ti ṣe. The messages mi ṣe bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ní rolling nìyẹn. Hello honey, how are you today? How was your night? I missed you. Mo pé who is this? Ó dẹ̀ pé mi ò rí irú ẹ̀rí láyé mi. Pé mi ò rí irú ẹ̀rí láyé mi. Ara mi bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ní bọ̀.
Ọkùnrin. Bọ̀ ìgbà tí wọ́n wá ka gbogbo messages yẹn àti gbogbo ẹ̀ ṣó wá ó jẹ́ kó mọ̀ pé orí nǹkan yìí kí ló wà sọ sí.
I waited till after church. Torí mi gbọ́dọ̀ múùdù yẹn yóò gbọ́dọ̀ bá kó bá àdúrà tó yẹ fẹ́ lọ gbà jẹ. Bàtà wá dé at the dining ni mo ṣe máa béèrè lọ́wọ́ ẹ̀. Mo ti try láti comport ara mi. And I asked him calmly pé okay Dọ́lápọ̀, are we happily married? Are we happy as a couple?
We are happy. Or jẹ́ kí n sọ wípé I am happy. Say, my wife. You are the busy one.
Busy one?
Yes.
So kí ni yẹn fi papọ̀ mọ́ nǹkan tá à ń sọ ń sìn? That was not even part of the question.
Why not?
Okay, kí ló fi jọra wọn?
Say, you come home late. Ó ti yẹ tó bá tún délé ò ń ṣe meeting kan lénìí ò ń ṣe meeting kan lọ́la you are always busy baby but I am not complaining. You know why? I want my woman to be successful.
O lè complain o ṣe máa complain ṣe bí yàn kò ti wà ń bẹ̀ tó ń feeling fún mi already tó ń gbàṣẹ́ mi ṣe tó ń ṣe gbogbo responsibilities mi àbí as a wife Bọ́lábìkan wà fún ẹ bẹ́ẹ̀ náà.
Who is Bọ́lábìkan?
má ever try ìròyìn pẹ̀lú ìpẹ́ta ni who is Bọ́lábìkan. Ìwọ Bọ́lábìkan don't ask for me sọ́dọ̀ pé mo já wèrè ni sọ́dọ̀ ló pè mí ni okay sọ́dọ̀ mi ò tiẹ̀ pè ní Dọ́lápọ̀ sọ́dọ̀ pé mo já wèrè ni sọ́dọ̀ pé adití ni mí ni ṣé mi ò mọ nǹkan tó ń gún wọn ni. Is it because I'm not saying anything? Gbogbo nǹkan tẹ́jọ́ ń ṣe ọ̀nẹ́ kíníkan if not that ọjọ́ yẹn gbogbo àwọn messages yẹn wọlé lọ́wọ́ sọ́wọ́ mi tí mo rí ṣé mo máa mọ nǹkan tó ń ṣẹlẹ̀ ni? O fẹ́ sọ mí di wèrè o fẹ́ sọ mí di adití o fẹ́ yà mí wèrè.
I miss my Tenny. My Tenny that will wake me up in the morning with a sweet kiss. I miss my Tenny to my baby lọ́wọ́ mi, baby. Ṣé wà okay? Ṣó ti jẹun? Baby jẹ́ ká ṣeré jáde. I miss my Tenny that will cook for me naked in the kitchen.
touch me. Má fún mi ní gbogbo àwọn poems yẹn. Má sọ rẹ̀ di Shakespeare mọ́ mi lọ́wọ́. What's any?
Maybe this is not my fault. Maybe this is not my fault. Maybe you had no time for me. Maybe you were not there for me when I needed you. Bola nìkan ni máa ń rí. Even on my birthday. She came to my office with a beautiful cake.
Oh my God.
She used my favorite color.
Oh my God.
Oh my God. Because it's your birthday. Because you are awesome. Oh my God. This is nice.
Happy birthday.
Thank you.
I hope you like cake.
I do.
I decided the color.
Really?
Yes, èmi gan ni mo sọ orúkọ tí mo fẹ́ fún wọn.
Bola,
Yes.
how did you know my favorite color?
At least I think she ṣiṣẹ́ pọ̀ nínú ọ́fíìsì yìí for over 7 years.
That's
And
right.
to an extent, mo feel pé mo mọ few things nípa ẹ̀.
Few things about me. Okay, now tell me. Kí làwọn nǹkan tó mọ̀ nípa mi?
Where do you want me to start from?
Anywhere.
Is it that you want your coffee hot? Little sugar, no cream? Or your favorite color is purple? You always sweat on your nose whenever you're under pressure. And you love to shave every Wednesday and Sundays.
You know that.
Yes, mo mọ̀ pé mi ò lè mọ̀ ẹ́ tán bí àwọ̀ ẹ̀ ṣe mọ̀. But at least, pẹ̀lú wọ̀bà tí mo sọ yìí, mo mọ̀ ẹ́. Journalism was my first love before advertising snatched me.
Oh, I see.
So I still pay attention to people around me.
To people around you.
Yes.
So, yàtọ̀ sí mi nsìn, you know details about everybody in this office.
Yes. To an extent.
That's nice. That's nice. I'm impressed.
Okay. Do have a wonderful day.
Thank you. Our office FBI.
Ah. See you later.
I shave on Wednesday and she knows.
Hello.
Bola.
I hope I'm not
Joe,
disturbing
for me
you.
1 minute, Joe. Excuse me.
Okay.
Láti save kí n lè má bínú.
Regional manager ní àwọn fẹ́ opinion ẹ lórí final copy advert.
Okay. Oh, ó ti yé mi. Oh. Okay. Take. Sọ fún wọn wípé màá get back sí wọn, màá send mail sí wọn. Ó ti yé mi.
I want an only guru. Content copy, baba.
No mind me, jàre. Bàbá ló ń ṣe ohun gbogbo.
Mo fẹ́ sọ nǹkan fún ẹ. Bóyá tó bá délé kó sọ fún madam kó change àwọn oúnjẹ tó máa ń ṣe fún ẹ. Torí o ti ń lose weight, then aṣọ kò dúró dáadáa lọ́rùn ẹ mọ́. Check ara ẹ wò.
Lose weight.
Yeah, àbó ń ronú ni.
No? Really?
Yes.
Anyway, I'll do something about that. Thank you.
All right.
Ṣéyàn lè ever rò pé Dọlápọ̀ lè ṣerú nǹkan bẹ́ẹ̀ yẹn ṣá? That easy going guy. Mi mọ̀ pé ó lè padà di Abdullah ṣá o. Àbí 007 la máa pè é ní báyìí. But ẹ dúró náà. Ṣé Túnjí mi lè ṣerú nǹkan bẹ́ẹ̀ yẹn ṣá? Shomali. Oh, trust it. Yes, baby. I'm on my way home too, and I have gist for you too.
Sẹ́ni tí o mọ̀ pé marriage máa ń wà boring at times. Èèyàn lèèyàn kàn ní gbà fún. Ibi tó yẹ kẹ́ ti adjust ẹ máa adjust. So, o lè blame bọ̀bọ̀ yẹn man. It's just poor guy.
Did you just say poor guy?
Yes, now.
Who is the victim here now?
Mi ò blame kankan náà àwọn méjèèjì. Bọ̀ nǹkan tí mò ń sọ ni pé tí o bá ti allow nǹkan kan kó take role nínú family ẹ̀ kò sí nǹkan tí ò ní ṣẹlẹ̀. Come to think of it. Ọ̀rẹ́ ẹ̀ kò sọ pé òun kọ́ lòun dálẹ̀ náà. Òun ni òun sí nílé. Òun ló ń lọ Dubai. Òun ló ń busy. So, kí ló expect kó ṣe?
So,
ó ti wà bored nìyẹn. Kí ni?
Donna, so o fẹ́ sọ fún mi pé ìwọ náà wà bored ọ̀nà marriage yẹn báyìí.
Tí mò ń sọ ni pé tí àwọn ìyàwó wa tí wọ́n bá ti fún wa láyè láti ṣe nǹkan tó wù wá, wọ́n sí nílé. Àárín wọn gbogbo ìgbà wọ́n máa ń busy ẹ̀kọ̀ọ̀kan. Àwọn ọkùnrin máa ń wà bored. It's marriage stunts. Wọ́n wà boring so nǹkan tó máa ń ṣẹlẹ̀ nìyẹn. So mi ò bú ọ̀bọ yẹn ò try. Àánú ẹ̀ ṣe mí gan bọ̀.
So, àwọn sọ fún mi pé o wà bored. Mo ń bèrè ni.
Mi ò wà bored. Mi ò wà bored pẹ̀lú èyí tó ń ṣe yìí. Marriage tèmi ò náà eléyìí ò boring.
O wà boring.
At all.
Are you sure?
100%.
Susan, kí ló tún fẹ́ kí n explain for ẹ kó tó get kó tí mo sọ? So you have not been able to get somebody. I said we need the young chap to promote this new product for the company.
Sorry, sir.
I don't want an already made company. A new one that is just coming out. Let me, Rogers, contribute to the life of somebody. You don't understand.
Sorry, sir.
Sure, Oromio here. We can move forward to the next board meeting. If you do not get me somebody to promote the product here, I don't know what can happen to you.
I promise I'm gonna get something, sir.
You promise now?
Yes, sir.
Very good. So, my marriage here. So, don't spoil your reputation. She'll get here. So, only my lunch here.
Thank you, sir.
Very good.
Ha, ọmọ Igbo. Ayé mi o. Person wey you no know na you wan carry job give.
Nǹkan tí mo máa ń sọ nìyẹn. Ṣé mo pé bí tá ti máa ń ní problem ni à?
Igbo, máa fọ̀rọ̀ ẹ fa sìgá.
O feel free láti ifá náà. Ṣé ọ̀rẹ́ mi jẹ́ kí n sọ kí ní kò tí ò yẹ? Ilé láti máa ń kó ẹ̀ṣọ́ ròde. That is the Yoruba proverb.
Ẹ̀ṣọ́ èwo.
Ẹ̀ṣọ́ ilé láti máa kó ròde.
Ẹ̀ṣọ́
Because
àbọ̀ṣọ́.
tí yóò bá fún àwọn youth, if I'm not given the opportunity now to have explored, ṣé mo máa débi tí mo délé ni mo máa ní nǹkan tí mo ní? Ṣé mi ò mind? Mi ò mind. It's my money. Ṣé bí mi ní money owó mi? I'm willing. I'm ready to take the risk. But let us give youth the chance. That is why we don't have a lot of young CEOs. I want to be seeing young CEOs like me. Everywhere.
CEO, Baba CEO.
That is it. So if I'm able to support it, tí mo bá contribute sí ayé youth kan, tóun náà bá lówó, I contribute sí ayé youth kan, tóun náà bá lówó, I contribute sí ayé youth kan, tóun náà bá lówó, I contribute sí ayé youth kan. A lot of youth ó ti dọ̀ lọ́wọ́ nìyà. Ṣé you understand? Bí mo ṣe máa ṣe nǹkan mi kò yí padà. Okay, so ìyẹn tó lọ. Alpha.
Ọmọ Igbo fẹ́ràn owó.
Mo ní fẹ́ràn owó.
Máa transfer owó ẹ sí.
Kí ni transfer it now?
Ẹ bá transfer ẹ.
Now. Ṣé bó ní account number?
Ẹ bó ní lọ́wọ́.
Ó yá máa transfer kí n máa wò.
Ẹ bó
Máa transfer. Your phone na.
Ọmọ Igbo.
O ṣáà ní app lórí ẹ̀ kó.
Ó ní gbogbo ẹ.
Very good na.
App ò ṣiṣẹ́ o.
Mo bẹ̀rù ẹ. Mo bẹ̀rù ẹ.
Ó bẹ̀rù mi.
Ẹ kí ni kó lọ sọ pé owó ẹ hang ní internet.
Ẹ network máa ṣe bó ti ṣe.
Oyin do the transfer.
Ó yá. Oye I dey do transfer.
Very good. Ṣòro Yorùbá ti sọ̀rọ̀. Ó ti ní ìgbà ọkọ. Ìgbà àdó ń gbógun tòkè. Òkè ọjà.
Mọ́ọ̀mọ́ kò wé mọ́.
Òkè ọmú. Òkè borí gbogbo nǹkan. Ṣòro ìwé tí o tí mi ò bá túṣu dé ìsàlẹ̀ òkòkò. Ó lè lọ bàyẹ̀ mi jẹ́.
Ìsàlẹ̀ kọ̀kọ̀.
Òkòkò.
Ìkọ̀kọ̀ àbí kòkò.
Which one is correct?
Ebi wà á kọ́ Yorùbá sí i.
Ká túṣu dé ìsàlẹ̀ òkòkò.
Ìkòkò.
Okay, ìkòkò ni.
Ìkòkò.
Mo ṣe ń bọ́dì ọba jù àwa. Very good. Bá mi ṣe wọ́n.
Bàbá ẹ̀ ṣe wọ́n. Mo ṣe ṣòwò ẹ̀.
Very good.
This is our house. Make her comfortable, just like madam.
All right, thank you.
Mumbo.
Finally, so this is the Yabogun I keep hearing about.
Oh, don't mind Tijo. I'm just an easygoing person. Don't mind him, please.
Nice to meet you.
Thank you.
And you're welcome to my small home.
Ha! Is this small home? Lily okay, Rara. As in, it's a big home. And I can see you guys are happy. That's what matters.
Yes, we are.
Yeah, thank you so much.
Our mommy call?
Mo yọ lórúkọ ẹ̀. Mo ṣe ń warm up fún part 2 báyìí.
Really?
Bẹ́ẹ̀ni, part 2.
Adé, Ọ̀gádé, kí lẹ̀ ń wọ́n mọ̀ fún? Ẹnu lẹ́ níbi ìtajà kara.
Yeah, I don't know what she said.
Ṣé bá mi jàre?
So kí ni kí n offer you?
Everything, but for now, water.
Okay, if you say so. Just feel at home.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
O ṣé.
Bye.
Wa náà. Susan, mọ́tò tó gbé wá ibo ló ti rí?
Mo jí ni.
Susan, má ṣe.
Nǹkan ló máa fẹ́ mọ̀.
Tẹ́ni, wo ojú mi dáadáa. Mi ò kí ń ṣe ẹni tó lè parọ́ fún ọ. mi ò dẹ̀ kí n ṣe ẹni tó máa ń fi igbá kan bọ̀ kan nínú rárá. I've been a marriage counselor for over 15 years and I know my job. So o need láti parọ́ kan fún mi. Má pa irọ́ kankan fún mi. Just tell me exactly how you feel. Tell me nǹkan tó ń ṣe ẹ́ gangan ẹ̀dùn ọkàn ẹ mo fẹ́ mọ̀. Although I know where you're coming from, but I want to hear from you.
You won't understand. But I wish I can just be left alone. As in, keep on one beacon. Bí tí mo ti lè pariwo, as in tí mo ti lè pariwo, tí mo ti lè sunkún. Tí anybody ò ní sọ fún mi bó ti tó. That is exactly what I want. That is what I just want to do right now.
Tenny, relax. See, if you need to scream, scream. If you need to shout, shout up on top of your voice. Tó bá lè sunkún, sunkún. Don't bottle anything up. Express yourself. That is the only way. Kò sí nǹkan tó lè ṣe sí. I know that is the only way you can express yourself. And then it is called the first stage of a damaged heart.
First stage of a damaged heart?
Yeah. Trust me, you will be healed.
I wish I can't wait to be healed. I'm dying, it's killing me. This is not me, this is not who I am.
It's okay. It's okay, take it easy.
Really? Susan, ṣé mo ṣe Susan tẹ́lẹ̀ ni? Ọba má ṣe yẹn fún mi náà. Hey. Hello Susan, báwo? Yeah, mo wà pa wo, má gbé yẹn wá. Website yín ni mo wà yín náà. Oh, sọ fún mi pé ní product tẹ́ ń promote now. Yeah, the new one. Yeah, I saw it on your page now. Fún mi lákàntì yẹn náà. Ta ló sọ fún ẹ pé a lè promote ladies stuff? Yes. Yes, we can. Má ṣe yẹn now, please. Ọ̀gá ẹ ní kí ẹ má ń ṣe big company o. Jẹ́ pé yẹn lè ń rò. Yes, àwa náà yẹ ṣe bẹ̀rẹ̀ ni má fojú packaging wò. Ẹ gbé fáwa náà. Yes, we can. Okay. Ó dáa, mo ti gbọ́ ngbà yẹn. Mo ti gbọ́. Ọlọ́run á fún ẹ ní small company rí ngbà yẹn. All right, no problem. Some other time. Tẹ́ bá wá ní the big company ẹ̀rọ palẹ̀ bá yín handle. Ẹjọ́ àṣìwà ń bí o. Àti ìyó o. All right then. Yeah, go take care of that. Market this brand.
This call. Okay. Hello. It's me, Dolapo, and this is the 57th time I've been calling you. I am sorry. And I'm sorry. Omokoto Shele. Tó bá ti bá mi sọ̀rọ̀, I will not come to that house. Please, forgive me. Tenny, just forgive me, please.
Get off my phone! Get off my phone, Dolapo! Get off my phone!
Yóò mọ̀ wọ́n. Ọlọ́run á ṣàánú wa. Kì í ṣe ẹsẹ̀. Bá ń gbé tablet mi. Bá ń gbé tablet mi jọ. Wà wà alright. Ìgbà tẹ́jọ́ ń ra tú kínní. Mi ò mọ̀ ń pa yín náà.
Mọ̀ ń pa kínní.
No comment.
Ṣé mi mọ̀ ń pa ni?
Ọwọ́ la ṣe máa fi mú ẹ last. Kí n tiẹ̀ tó gbàgbé. Ṣé mo kí mo kú sísà lẹ́nu? Wọ́n ní pitch kan lọ́fíìsì wọn. Àkáǹtì yẹn dẹ̀ wù mí, wọ́n yẹ kán fún alákáǹtì yẹn but ó lọ́gá wọn sọ pé àwọn ò fẹ́ big company like us. Pé company tó bá ṣẹ̀ṣẹ̀ bẹ̀rẹ̀ lòun fẹ́ gbé fún. Ẹ gbé kinní yìí fún wa, ó ṣáà nínú. I think it's their new company policy like that. Susan.
Another contract ma wá next time.
Àmì o bóyá tẹ̀tù wá through Susan náà lọ́fíìsì wọn bẹ́ẹ̀.
Kí ló ṣẹlẹ̀?
Ó ti rẹ̀ mí.
Pẹ̀lẹ́ ọ̀lẹ ni ẹnu ló kàn níbi ìtajà kára àfi kó ṣáà máa fọnù yìí ní ṣáà.
Bó ṣe sọ lójú Susan náà nìyẹn jọ yẹn pé ẹnu ni mo ní. Ó fi mí lẹ̀. I'm not burning anything.
Kí ni? O ní láti bọ̀ ni.
Ele.
Yeah, 6-pack baby.
Òun ló jẹ́ kí àwọn native mi máa fit mi.
No. 6-pack. Come on baby. Come on. 6-pack. Come on baby.
Ó ti rẹ̀ mí o.
Come on.
Ìyàwó ẹ̀ kí ló sọ? Really? Susan, ẹnu mi ò lè ka ẹ̀. Vacation, ìwọ nìkan ló tún dá lọ. Susan, oh God. Susan, jẹ́ ká sọ ìtókù létà jàre. Yeah, okay. Àníwá ó dàbọ̀ jọ. Ọmọ Susan yìí, Ọlọ́run very funny girl. Kò change yàrá. Ó ṣàdí máa kí ẹ. Ó tiẹ̀ mo ní báńkì madam ní máa jíṣẹ́. Mo lè ti ṣe o. Wà okay. Ìkọ́nà yìí wà okay o. Ẹ má ti change paint yìí, ẹ jọ.
Hello? Ìbàdàn. Bọ́lẹ̀ wà. Mo ní flat tire ní níbi driver side. Bí tẹ́ wá jìnà. Oh my God. Oh. Ẹni lè fi bà mí jẹ́ ń sìn, mi ò lè change mi lè ṣe bó tẹ ní mo ò ní extra tire gan pàápàá. Oh my God. So ẹ lè make ẹ wá síbí báyìí. All right. Okay, ẹ ṣé. Okay, whatever, ẹ ṣé. Túnjí.
Ẹja tó ṣe yìí dùn. Mo ṣáà ti ń jẹ bọ̀ látàárọ̀ fún mi jẹ́jọ́. Wà okay.
Bẹ́gí.
Mi ò bẹ́gí o.
Nkọrin bí àwọn ọmọ ẹ̀.
Èmi kọ́ mo kó wẹ̀.
Bẹ́gí, you no good o, buy your own o, e go better.
Mo rò pé o túùsù ni.
Mi túùsù rárá.
Mo rò pé o lókà.
Nǹkan tó fi love mi kọ́ ni ẹ̀.
Mo love ẹ, o lókà all the way ni o. O pa consider. Hello Susan.
Túnjí.
Báwo ni?
Mi wà.
Kí ló ṣẹlẹ̀?
Mo ní flat tire ni.
Flat tire kẹ̀. Lẹ́stra ni. Yíyá mo kàn wá ń lé ní mo kàn ṣe bájì ń lé ní. Nítòsí mi ń bí.
Yes.
Mo ń bọ̀ ń gbà yẹn.
Ṣoṣọ́ lẹ́stra tire.
Yíyá mo lẹ́stra tire mẹ́rin má bẹ́ẹ̀ fi. Mọ́tò wo ló gbé jáde? Honda. Kò sí wàhálà.
Okay. Are you coming right now?
Farabalẹ̀ jọ, ń bọ̀. Mi mo ní kó máa ní lẹ́stra tire ní fún lẹ́jọ́.
Thank you, Oshe. Thank you so much. Thank you, Oshe. I'll be waiting for you. Thank you.
Can you imagine? Susan ni ṣá. Wọ́n gbàgbé ohun ní flat àmẹ́ ẹ̀. Mo ní pé ṣe lọ bá fix ẹ̀. Wọ́n ti ẹ̀ ló yọ. Ó túmọ̀ lé mi. Fún mi díẹ̀ sí. Tí mo lè fi síbí.
A ṣe fi síbẹ̀.
Wà ní kí n ṣe sí.
Fún mi.
Ah, wọ́n ì love me for. Mo ń bọ̀ mi ní pẹ́ńsìn. Ah, Susan. Susan.
Tenny Ola, all I see in you is anger. It's too much. And what I see in you is that I still see somebody that really, really loves her husband. But we still need to give it some time. You know that. You got me come as on the week. Jẹ́ kí bó ṣe wùn ẹ́ kó rí kó pọ̀ ju ìbínú tó wà lọ́kàn ẹ lọ. Okay. First question tí ẹ máa bèrè nísìnyí ni wípé, does he even call you at all?
Yeah. Like more than 10 times in a day. Text messages, video call. I just don't want to talk to him. I don't want to see him. Not now. I don't want to see him. He calls you, he does video calls and everything. Good. See, that is the first step in marriage restoration. When it's a lejoba ti mo ebi elebi, kò ní pẹ́ lórí ìkúnlẹ̀. He is a man. And ọmọ báwọn ọkùnrin ṣe máa ń wùwà wọn. Tí wọ́n bá ti gbé ìṣe wọn dé báyìí, ó wá kù sọ́wọ́ àwa obìnrin. Bá a ṣe máa handle ẹ̀. Tó bá ti bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ń hùwà bẹ́ẹ̀, tó dẹ̀ ti bẹ̀bẹ̀, àwa náà máa dáríjì náà ni. Kò sí nǹkan tá lè ṣe sí. And you caused it. Remember, you caused all this. You left your marriage just like that. You left it unattended to. It is not nice. It is your fault. Advice them in my name. Since he's calling, he's doing video calls, he's doing everything, let's just forgive him, please. My dear, nígbà tó ti mọ̀ wípé òun ṣe nǹkan tí ò dáa. Our own is just to forgive him and help him to retrace his steps back. Àyàfi tí ò bá wọn kò fẹ́ mọ́ lóko. Mo ṣì nífẹ̀ẹ́ Dọlápọ̀ ni. But
there is no but. Ọ̀rọ̀ alákọ̀ọ́kọ́ yẹn gan-an òun ló ń jó òun. Mo ṣì nífẹ̀ẹ́. Well, let's work it out together professionally. I will strongly advise that you go on a vacation. Yeah. Only you. Enjoy yourself. Have fun. Ṣe fàájì, túraká. Just enjoy yourself. Tó bá lè mu ọtí. You understand what I'm saying? Just enjoy your life. And free your mind. And that's what's going to make you miss him more. And then your mind will be ready to forgive him. And let go. Trust me.
oh my God, Tunji. You're my savior today. Oh, thank you so much. I really appreciate What?
Oh, all right. I need you to just go and get a spare. You know my fellow convali.
Organizer. Just send your bid to me. I got you.
Baby for organizer.
Yes.
Say your long way. Say about to me.
Oh my God, thank you so much.
About here too, sharp plans on. You won't be ni spare tire.
Oh my me.
I'm by law.
Just send your bill to me, don't worry. I got you.
Any you going to me alone. I know you'll shame you.
So how much is your bill?
Susan.
Thank you so much.
How much is my own bill?
Yes.
Oh, listen.
Wow, really?
Yeah.
Ah, why try me, please.
Madam, I will listen to motor.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Wow.
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
You want to look too bad.
Mr. Foga.
Really?
All
right, you gave me. Shall take care of it.
All right, thank you, I will.
All right.
Thank you so much.
Yeah.
All right, bye.
Bye.
Yeah.
Well, Susan, you're on the spare tire.
Oh, she go.
All right.
Bravo.
Well, take care.
Bye.
Sweetheart, jọ̀ọ́ mo fẹ́ tọrọ nǹkan kan lọ́wọ́ ẹ. Nǹkan tí mo dẹ̀ fẹ́ tọrọ yìí mi ever bí ẹ lè rí, and this is the first time ever tí màá bẹ̀ fún nǹkan bẹ́ẹ̀, and I want you to please do it for me.
Tí o bá wà ní káwọ́ mi máa fún ẹ. O ṣe ń bèrè yìí gan sí ń bà mí lẹ́rù. Kí ló dé?
Ademi, ọkọ mi, olówó orí mi, àlè mi nìkan ṣoṣo. Ṣorí, mi ò mọ irú ọ̀rẹ́ tí wà tí Susan bá ń ṣe àbí whatever. But mi ìfẹ́ any association pẹ̀lú Susan yẹn mọ́. Kò ń ṣe pé mo hate her or anything, and ìwọ náà mọ̀ pé mo máa ń welcome gbogbo àwọn ọ̀rẹ́ ẹ̀, be it male or female, but this particular Susan, spirit mi ò tiẹ̀ kàn lọ pẹ̀lú ẹ̀, kò connect pẹ̀lú ẹ̀ in any form or way. It's not that she's a threat to me in any way, but I just don't tí ilé point ẹ̀ pé okay nǹkan tó fà á ni or anything. Mi kàn fẹ́ kó ní any friendship or anything with her.
The same Susan?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. What's your boy?
What's wrong?
Yeah. It's your brother. Yeah. It's your boy now.
Thank you, baby. That's why I love you. Akande mi.
Esa ni mi ò fẹ́, mo ní mo tún gbọ́ ni mo sọ.
Mi sa ẹ moko. Baby, mo ní láti lọ school mo yọ.
Kí ló dé?
Mo rí nail scratch ní ọrùn ẹ̀ lálẹ́ àná. Mo dẹ̀ feel pé mo ní láti lọ rí teacher because ó yẹ kó ti ń ṣeré pa jù.
Ó ti ń ṣeré pa nìyẹn. Nígbà bí ó dẹ̀ ti ṣeré pa yóò mọ̀.
I comment my reserve.
Susan, ibo ló ti ń bọ̀? Ilẹ̀ ti ṣú náà.
Ikú ẹ̀ náà kọ́ ni mò ń kú lọ.
Inú ikú tèmi.
Yeah.
How come?
Well, wọ́n dọ̀gá mi lóhùn jàre, wọ́n ní kí n wá new complaint for this new product, and I've been thinking, I can't really think of anybody else, and it just crossed my mind. I thought I should tell you.
Èmi.
Yeah.
Mi ò ní company, so mo ṣì ń báyọ̀ ṣiṣẹ́ ni, so báwo mo ṣe fẹ́ bẹ́ẹ̀ handle ẹ̀?
Don't worry, leave that to me.
Okay.
Just take this flash drive and go through it.
Okay.
You could get something out of it.
All right. I'll go through it. Hopefully, magic to rò pé mo lè perform here. Màá rí ṣe.
Okay.
And I'll get back to you.
All right.
However, ilẹ̀ ti ṣú o.
Oh, sure.
Bá máa lọlé.
Yeah. Bamiki madam.
I will.
Hello, Moy.
Màá jíṣẹ́.
All right then.
Drive safe.
All right.
Tó bá délé kó jẹ́ kí n mọ̀.
Sure, I will. All right, bye.
Yeah, bye.
Ibi ló wà tí mo wá kiri inú ilé.
má bínú jàre. Ọ̀gá ló sáré sẹ́ni kan sí mi sí pé kí sáré wò. Mi mọ̀ pé fáìlì ẹ̀gán wà important ṣe. Má bínú. Kí ló tó ń wá mi?
Mi ṣe ní wá ẹ tí mi ò rí ẹlẹ́gbẹ̀ẹ́ mi.
Má bínú. I'm sorry. Màá bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí máa parí lọ sí mo ṣe.
Màmá máa dúró.
Ẹlẹ́ ń bọ̀. Ẹlẹ́. Yes! Susan!
Bola.
Yes.
It's nice sharing this moment with you. And mo fẹ́ dúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ ẹ gan pé o ṣé. Thank you for understanding my views and options.
It's okay. We're both carried away, and it's unfair to your marriage and even to that innocent woman. So...
And well, my marriage is falling off already.
What? Kí ló ṣẹlẹ̀?
In fact, mo ṣe ń bẹ sọ̀rọ̀ ẹ̀. Mo kàn try, mo ń ṣe ojú pa pé ìyàwó mi ò ní fi mí sílẹ̀. I'm trying to rebuild my home.
I'm deeply sorry.
No. No. You don't have to be. You don't have to be. We both share the blame. And ṣorí gbogbo nǹkan tó ṣẹlẹ̀ gan, èmi gangan ni mo lẹ̀bi ẹ̀. I'm not strong enough as a man. A strong man should be able to protect his wife.
Má bínú gbogbo nǹkan tó pass through. Ẹbí mi ni. You don't have to blame yourself. Àdúrà náà la máa gbà. Kí Ọlọ́run ọba kó bá wa dáwọ́ lé ìgbéyàwó yẹn. K'Ọlọ́run bá wa tún tò.
Àmín.
Èmi ti ríra mi bí distraction. Mi ò dẹ̀ fẹ́ bà marriage jẹ́. So mo ti request for transfer lọ sí another state. So that wàá lè ráyè fún marriage ẹ.
Really?
Yes.
Oh my God. Bola, I'm sorry. I'm sorry for putting you through all this stress. Forgive me, please. I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
It's okay. So, ṣó máa invite me fún Tómigbe?
Oh, okay, mi ò lè ṣe ẹ́ náà. You know, Madam ló ní final say. Tí Madam bá ní, okay, invite Bola, then.
Ṣé gan mọ̀ pé kò possible?
Oh my God, I'll miss you.
Nǹkan tí mo lè sọ, àwọn pé mò ń wò pé Is it really my fault? Wọ́n á padà jókòó, wọ́n á padà ro gbogbo sí ìyẹn bó ṣe ṣẹlẹ̀ pé did I really push him out? Ṣé mo pé tí n bá tiẹ̀ wá ṣe bẹ́ẹ̀ ṣó yẹ kémi náà tún wá máa bínú because mo rí kódà pé mi náà ti neglect gbogbo responsibilities mi gbogbo nǹkan tó yẹ kí n ṣe mi ò ṣe business ni mo gbájúmọ́ ilé mi dẹ̀ ń fall apart mi ò dẹ̀ mọ̀ abẹ́rẹ́ nǹkan tí mo kóra mi sí mo wá ń try láti blame ẹ̀ ṣó yẹ kí n máa blame ọkọ mi fún gbogbo nǹkan tó ṣẹlẹ̀ nínú marriage mi ṣá don't I have my own blame too? Don't I have my own fault too as a wife? Business. But the problem is, can I even forgive him? Even tó bá jẹ́ pé mo ṣe gbogbo nǹkan yẹn, ṣé wá justify pé kó máa lọ cheat on me ni?
Tenny, I think now you are realizing what I've been talking about. Hey, wọ́n máa sọ kíní kan wọ́n ní pé ohun tí a bá gbé sílẹ̀ báyìí òun lẹ́nu ewúrẹ́ yìí.
Penny.
And this is your home. It is your marriage. There is no perfect marriage. There is no perfect home. Má jẹ́ parọ́ fún èmi gangan tí mò ń bẹ sọ̀rọ̀ yìí. I don't have a perfect marriage. But as a woman, you should know that anything that happens, you need to fix it. Hey, wọ́n ní inú ilé ẹni láti ń jẹ èkúté onídòdó. Tí irú nǹkan báyìí bá ṣẹlẹ̀, àwa obìnrin la máa wá gbogbo way, gbogbo corners ta lè lọ, gbogbo nǹkan ta lè mú pọ̀ mọ́ra wọn tó fi máa dáa o. It is your home. Má jẹ́ kí àwọn ọmọ ẹlẹ́sẹ̀ toothpick àbí ọmọge indomie kọ́gbọ́kọ́gbọ́ ẹ lọ́wọ́. You need to fix it.
I need to fix it.
Yes, that is what I'm going to do. Very important. Thanks so much.
I love you.
Very good. Shumo Kotori impressed me in talk, yeah. Because I'm not even expecting that you will have the kind of brain that you drop for me. Because all the idea that you drop for me now is a very good one. I'm impressed. And that means that what I want you to do, you can do it. You can do it. Kai. Toji. Very good. Very good. God will save you. Susan, God will save you. Because if you are not able to provide this man for me, and then he dropped the kind of sense that he has dropped, that could have been the end of your job in my company. But very good, so I'm impressed. Mind you, I'm a very straightforward person. If I say A, I mean A. If I say B, I stand by B. You understand me now? Yes, so this deal that you want to do for me is over 21 million naira. Should you pay a whole lot of money? If you do it well with all these things that you have told me now, that means when the next time I can give you something that is worth 100 million. And then you need to see my kind of caliber, my cabal that I do business with. If you prove me well with this, nothing stop me from introducing you to every other one. So very good. I'm happy. Suzanne, yes, I shock you. I had to your salary this month.
Thank you.
Very good. Give me 5. And you need to give me 5. Very good. I'm impressed. I'm impressed. So Suzanne, you can sort him. You because I would have loved you people to be part of this, but don't worry, it's made for me by my obim. That is my heart too. So you guys are free to go now. Right, so very good. Sort him and then.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Tunji, yes. I'm impressed, sir. Thank you. Tunji.
Kọ́lá jọ nítorí Ọlọ́run ìgbà wo gangan ló fẹ́ má rí náà tó jẹ́ wípé ojú ẹ̀ ò gbé bí kan ìwọ ni níbí ìwọ ni níbí ìwọ ni níbí ó dẹ mú kan náà.
ó jẹ́ fele ilé gbogbo àwọn ọkùnrin bákan náà ni wọ́n bọ́yì máa ń ṣe nìyẹn wọ́n máa ṣe bíi pé gbogbo obìnrin yẹn aṣẹ́wó ni wọ́n.
àbí
ọ̀dẹ̀ ní rí kan mú.
ó dẹ mú kan.
madam ẹ farabalẹ̀ ẹ̀yin méjì ṣé tó bá wọn ọkùnrin láti máa ṣe kò ní máa rẹ̀ mi kò sí ọkùnrin tó máa rọ́bìn tó dáa tó níwàgé lọ́wọ́ tí kò ní fẹ́.
wọ́n ṣe máa ń ṣe nìyẹn tó bá ṣe ó ṣe ìyàwó.
Okay, just calm down. Láti máa bá wa sọ̀rọ̀ pé tó o ṣe fẹ́ mi.
Oh, sorry, mo rí nǹkan tí mo fẹ́ lára ẹni mi ò ṣe fẹ́ mi.
Good. Ìwọ ńkọ́?
You are not my choice, sorry.
Òun wẹ́n tó ti settle down tó ní everything tó náwó lọ́wọ́. Ọmọ etí mo making now, right?
Ṣé olóṣì ni kí n wá fẹ́? Kò
kò possible me.
Ìwọ náà ti bẹ́ẹ̀ àbí ṣé ó lè ṣe ni kò fẹ́?
Okay, ṣé o wá fẹ́ sọ fún mi pé bí obìnrin ṣe pọ̀.
Let me tell you this. Láyé òun bàbá wa gbà yẹn. Everything.
Oh,
Morning,
good
boss.
morning, sir.
Good morning, sir. Good morning.
Báwo ṣe wà pa?
Mo wà okay. Ṣé kò sí ojú yín kọrẹ́ lọ́wọ́ bákan?
Iṣẹ́ ọ́fíìsì yẹn náà kọ́ ní ẹ fẹ́ pa mí kọ́ ni.
Ṣé pẹ̀lẹ́?
Ṣé wà pa?
Yeah, I'm fine.
Bá mi send àwọn mails yẹn.
Okay, sir.
Then post it there.
Okay.
However, ẹ má jẹ́ pé ẹnì kankan wọlé.
Okay.
It's gonna be a busy day, I can see that.
Okay, sir.
Lunch gan máa ràn mí létí. Bẹ́ẹ̀ ó lè tó yẹn.
All right. Okay. My friend. Good morning.
You look good. Èmi ọ̀gá.
Èmi nìyẹn.
How are you?
Fine, thank you.
you doing?
Nǹkan tó ṣẹlẹ̀. O ní lè rí ọ̀gá báyìí, wọ́n busy.
Kí ló dé? See me?
Mo dáyà jẹ ni. Tí ọ̀gá bá tẹ̀lé páwọn fẹ́ ríyàn, ṣé bíi ti ìwà.
I don't understand.
Ìwọ ṣọ̀gàn, orí ẹ̀ wà ń bẹ, orí ẹ̀ dúró gan ni. O máa rí wọn. Bó ṣe wà ṣàtúlẹ̀ fẹ́mi. O láti fún mi lówó.
Yẹn ló kéré jù máa wọrí.
Wá fún mi.
Mo ṣe máa múlẹ̀.
Wá fún mi. Ó ṣe ọmọ mi tó sexy. Ó yá wọlé kanlẹ̀. Wọlé kanlẹ̀.
See you later.
All right, sweetie. Ẹ káàárọ̀ ma. Fine, thank you. Yeah, I'm fine.
So, ṣé a lè rí àwọn ọ̀gá?
Ẹ má bínú ma. Ẹ nílé rí wọn. Wọ́n busy gan. In fact, mi mọ nǹkan tó ṣe wọ́n. Ìgbà tán dé gan ṣe lójú wọn lé kókó. Wọ́n ṣáà láwọn ò ṣàfẹ́ ríyàn. Wọ́n ní pé in fact, ẹ máa rán àwọn létí tó ń jẹ gan bá tún ti rẹ́ẹ̀dì pé àwọn ò jẹun. So, máa kọ̀ sọ fún yín mà pé ẹ kọ̀ jókòó díẹ̀ dè wọ́n tó bá ti ṣe tán. Ẹ rí wọn. Wọ́n busy gan ma. Ẹ má bínú. Ẹ mọ̀ pé protocol must be observed.
Oh yeah, you understand.
Yeah.
You're just doing your job.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you for understanding. Thank you. Yeah.
Aduro.
It's fine. Ẹ má bínú, my Joe.
It's fine.
Yeah. Ẹ kú jókòó ma.
Thank you.
Mo ṣe sí bàtà yín yẹn máa fún mi o.
No problem.
It's fine, thank you.
My dear.
Yes, ma.
Ó ní nǹkan kan tí mo fẹ́ mú nu mọ́tò lẹ́ẹ̀kan nígbà bí mi mo bí lè sáré bá mi wọ̀.
Okay. Kò sí problem ma. Ẹ kò sọ ibi tó wà fún mi.
No, ibi ẹ̀yìn passenger seat yẹn. Ó wà níbi ilẹ̀.
Yes, ma.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Ouch.
Oh my God. What kind of daydreaming is this? Even as a TJ. That can never happen. Oh my God. No, please. I'm just dreaming, I'm sure.
Hey, darling.
Ọmọ olúwàbí, bébí wa o.
Ó ti mú ẹ lára kó máa jẹun.
Àbí báwo?
Madam, bọ́ mo bẹ̀rẹ̀ mo ní kẹ́ máa ti wọlé fọ́gà busy ni ma.
Ẹ bá ń gbóúnjẹ mi. Ẹ ṣé. Ẹ ṣé bá ń gbóúnjẹ.
Ẹ ṣé, mọ̀ pé iṣẹ́ ló ń ṣe, but it's okay.
Ó ṣàmì nìyẹn. Kò yé ni mo ní kó ṣe bẹ́ẹ̀.
Wà lára yín, ṣé nítorí pé mi ìfẹ́ ṣò kọ́lọ̀ tèmi.
Ó ṣe ọmọ yìí. Kò yé ni pé wọ̀gàn ní kọ́kọ́rọ́ mọ́ṣúárì. Ìwọ ló ń ṣí, ìwọ ló ń tì í.
Náà tó pé àgá bí sí ẹ ń gbà tọ́dé gan, wọ́n lè jí wọlé ní ta ló tó pa ẹ́.
Ìwọ náà wà tẹ pí mọ́lẹ̀. Bó ṣe wá dé yìí sí orí mi àrí service.
Ṣé pé service ló sọnù?
Ó sọnù bó ṣe dé báyìí.
System wọn ò bùtù látẹ̀kan. Ara nǹkan tí mo ń wo hàn nìyẹn pé bóyá nítorí ẹ̀ ní ilé oúnjẹ wa bóyá yẹn máa tún ginger ẹ̀ díẹ̀ sí.
Mo fẹ́ wọ̀n gbágbó wa.
Kí ló sọ? So all right.
Okay.
Sure. The system to boot to there.
What you book?
So how's my baby doing?
I'm doing fine.
Hello, Tunji. Ọṣẹ wo ló fi wẹ̀ gan-an? Or should I say it's God's time?
Susan, all of the above.
Bí mo ṣe rí mail yẹn nìyẹn o, I was really surprised. You better pack your bag. Kó wá lọ defend ààrẹ lọ́dọ̀ ọ̀gá mi àtàwọn millionaire friend ẹ̀. Àwọn mi ò sí ń bẹ̀ o. Ìwọ ló mọ nǹkan tó ṣe. Because right now, ọ̀gá mi gan ló tún tà ẹ́ fáwọn ọ̀rẹ́ wọn. I was shocked.
Okay, so when is the retreat?
You have like 14 days to prepare, but it's going to take you like a whole week plus the weekend.
Well, may God help us.
May God help you.
Susan,
What's the bell? You're on your own. Benny, I'm going to be at the retreat, but not as your friend, as my August PA. So Kulukaluku, co-hold, alright. So Tony. Alright, no problem. Anytime. Okay. Bye.
báwo mo ṣe fẹ́ sọ fún ìyàwó mi pé ọmọ tó ní pé kí òun fẹ́ kí n bá ṣe ó ní kí n má bá Susan sọ̀rọ̀ ọmọ yìí ló gbé business wa kò gbé wá nìkan ó ṣe company yẹn bíi pé mi ni mo ní ó register company ó forúkọ mi sí ó package mi bíi pé I'm the CEO we're talking about millions of naira ó dẹ̀ ní má bá sọ̀rọ̀ how do I tell my wife pé ẹni tó ń fẹ́ kí n bá ṣe nǹkan kan she's my benefactor she's smart nǹkan tí mi ò rí ó ń rí ọmọ yẹn mọ bó ṣe ń lọ ó sọ sí mi lẹ́nu ó fiyọ̀ sí òun rè wọ́n ní kí n lọ sóko ọba odò ọba ò ṣe é fò iṣẹ́ ọba ò ṣe má jẹ́ How are you?
Daddy, why are you talking to yourself?
Talking to myself? No, I'm not talking to myself.
Yes, you are. Daddy, you can tell me anything. I'm your son.
Moyo, you can't understand now. See, when you grow up, you understand a lot. But now, kò lè yé ẹ. Ìdí tí ọkùnrin ṣe ń pa lórí, tí obìnrin ò kí ń pa lórí, ó máa yé ẹ ńgbà yẹn. For now, just leave it.
Okay. Now, Daddy, do you want to race me?
Race me? You sure? Let's do it. Hey, go!
Kẹ́mi.
Ọ̀rẹ́ mi.
Bí mo ṣe ká wọn mọ́ hòtẹ́ẹ̀lì nìyẹn.
Ha!
nígbà tó ká wọn mọ́ hòtẹ́ẹ̀lì yẹn kí ni reaction ọkọ ẹ̀ kí ló ṣe kí ló sọ.
Reaction? Kí ló expect? How do you expect to see the face of an unfaithful guy? A cheater? Liar? Oh, it's all written all over his face. Ó dà pé kílẹ̀ lánàá kó swallow ẹ̀ ni.
Ha! Ọmọbìnrin tó wá ká pẹ̀lú ẹ̀kọ́ àwọn ọmọ aṣẹ́wó yẹn kí lòun náà ṣe kí ni reaction òun náà.
Mo máa ń wá emotional tí bá rántí scenario yẹn. That little brat, I despise her with passion.
Ha!
That girl Kemi, mi ò lè employ ẹ̀ fún house help.
Really?
Very ugly. That thing tó bá rí makeup ojú ẹ̀ iṣẹ́ ló dàbí ẹbọra.
Ha!
Mi ò mọ. Kemi, just look at me, wo mi. Iwájú mi ò tóbi jù, kò kéré jù.
I know.
Ẹ̀yìn mi ni, kò kéré kò tóbi jù. Ó normal. Kí lọkọ mi fẹ́ tí mi kì í ṣe fún? Máa fún BJ. Ó máa scream po ti rẹ òun ni ṣé mo fẹ́ pa òun. Mo máa tún make sure pé mo tún climb on him. Tí bá ń ride Babangida ẹ̀ báyìí, máa pana ṣúkú. Mi ò mọ nǹkan tó kù tí ó yẹ kí n ṣe fọ́kùnrin tí mi ti ṣe.
Ọ̀rẹ́ mi mo jẹ́rìí ẹ̀. Ọ̀rọ̀ àwọn ọkùnrin ti wá sú mi o. Kí ló fẹ́ ká tiẹ̀ wá ṣe fún wọn báyìí gan-an? Gbogbo àwọn ọkùnrin yóò wá ní tẹ́lọ́rùn mọ́.
Kẹ́mi.
Ọ̀rẹ́ mi.
Generally, mo fẹ́ believe pé ọkùnrin níṣòro.
Wọ́n ní.
Because nǹkan tó ń fẹ́ mi ò mọ̀. Mo fowó bá lò. Kò sí nǹkan tí no, just name it. Kò sí nǹkan tó fẹ́ tí mi kì í ṣe fún.
Ọ̀rẹ́ mi mo rí.
Sọ́kàn mi lè ṣe bẹ́ẹ̀ ṣá. I hope not. I hope not.
Ìyàwó ẹ̀.
Hellos.
Òyìnbó tèmi nìkan.
Anything tẹ́ni kan tó bá mú bẹ́ẹ̀ máa sanwó ẹ̀ ni o.
Ṣọ́ọ̀bù ti àbí ṣọ́ọ̀bù wa? Ta ló dá ẹ lókòwò?
Kúkúrún gbàjẹ́.
Ìjọ́ wo ló ṣe account fún mi last? Mi ṣáà mọ kó capital ilẹ̀.
Ẹ pẹ̀lẹ́ ọ̀gá kápẹ́ńtà.
Kò tí pè.
Lọ́jọ́ dé pẹ̀lú gbogbo kíní ẹ̀ ni.
Kíní mi, ṣé o wà pa?
Ọmọ kíní ẹ̀ tó ń sọ̀rọ̀ ṣọ́rẹ́.
Ṣáàjì ń wà.
Adúpẹ́.
Pẹ̀lẹ́. Ó yẹ kí n dó délé sọ ni ìbọn mo fèpò yẹ kí n wá sọ mí báyìí. Mo tún ti ń lọ.
Hello.
Ó dáhùn pé mo tún fẹ́ lọ for the whole weekend.
Lọ́bọ̀.
A ní new account kan táyé ṣe gbà. Ẹ̀rọ mọ̀ pé sọ́gà mi ò bá rí mi bẹ́ẹ̀ ọkàn ní balẹ̀. So I just have to be there. Mo kàn fẹ́ lọ sọ òyìnbó kí n pa ọ́ bí mo ṣe máa ń pa owó yẹn náà ni.
Lọ sọ Yorùbá.
Jọ.
Kí la fẹ́ ṣe? Àṣà ni ní kẹ́ má lọ pawó wá.
That's what I'm talking about.
Ọ̀rọ̀ owó dẹ̀ kàn pa.
Ó kàn pa. So I'll be gone for Friday, Saturday and Sunday.
Okay.
That's my baby. Bele.
You shall take care of him.
Yeah, I will.
Don't do what I won't do.
Kí mi, kí ni mo mọ̀. Bó ṣe wá ní kí n jókòó mo ń jókòó kí n stand mo ń stand èmi tí mo gentle. Jọ má pẹ́ délé.
Ìtumọ̀.
A gbọ́dọ̀ bọ́ṣọ lára ewé. Ká gbéwé lára ẹ̀kọ́, ká bẹ́ẹ̀kọ́ lára ewé kan náà méjèèjì.
Èmi ò mọ nǹkan tó ń sọ mi understand gbogbo yẹn.
Má pẹ́ délé.
Ẹ má da ọjà nù.
Mi ò ṣeré o.
Ọ̀nà ìjáde rè.
Jẹ́ ń gbà bí lọ náà.
Ẹ jọ̀ọ́ ẹ máa lọ. Tẹ́ bá da ọjà mi nù ẹ máa sanwó ẹ mọ̀ kó máa gbowó.
Má pẹ́ délé.
welcome. Oh.
Thank you.
Susie. Tunji.
Sir.
Nǹkan tí mo fẹ́ sọ fún ẹ ó simple. Should Bushi come for this retreat now? I'm going to be introducing you to so many of my friends that were in the same cabal. You understand me now? So, I'm going to tell you not to disappoint me, as you have proven yourself to me. Mo fẹ́ kó prove yourself, even to my friends. If you are able to do that, that means more millions is going to be coming to you. More millions sounding in your account. Tunji, in no here neko. Mo mean pé ṣé o gbọ́ mi dáadáa. That is it. So, mo Tunji lọ room wa.
All right, boss.
Room wa rather, not room wa. Mo Tunji lọ sí his room and make him comfortable.
Okay, boss.
If you need to have anything, you can come and have a drink with me. It is not a problem.
Thank you, sir.
Tunji, very good.
Thank you.
All right,
Prove
boss.
yourself to them.
Yes.
Let them know that you are a good boy.
Thank you.
Okay. I like to see young CEOs, good young boys making millions. This is how things can get better.
TJ, come in. This is your key, and this is your room.
Sure.
Make yourself comfortable.
Yes, I will.
Àti di millionaire nìyẹn o.
Wọ́n náà máa dúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ ẹ̀.
Really?
Àbí báwo?
Thank you so much. Make sure kókè madam nílé o.
Yes, I will.
Ọmọra obìnrin. Mi rojọ́ o.
Ewo tiẹ̀. Of course, máa pè.
Má bínú.
All right. Aṣáà tó ń jókòó náà ni.
No. I have so many guests to attend to.
Really?
Yes.
Jáde kó yára.
Tó ti lé mi.
Màá fẹ́ jáde já. Jáde yára mi já.
Okay, kò sí wàhálà.
Hello, ọ̀rẹ́ mi.
Èmi báwo ni?
Báwo ni vacation ẹ?
Fi vacation tèmi sílẹ̀ ní òun ṣọ̀rọ̀ vacation sí. Báwo ni? Ọkọ ẹ̀ ń kọ́? Ó lọ fún retreat. Níbo? Anyway, guess Susan tó ń sọ̀rọ̀ ẹ̀ fún mi yẹn báwo ló ṣe rí?
She's fair in complexion. Ó ga díẹ̀ ló fi ga jù mí lọ. Díẹ̀. Ó dẹ̀ wà left-handed, I think.
Anyway, mo fẹ́ send àwọn pictures kan sí ẹ̀ ń sìn. Mo fẹ́ kó confirm kankan fún mi. Má pa fóònù ẹ̀ o. O lè fi fóònù ẹ̀ sí speaker ṣùgbọ́n. All right there. Just hold on. Oríṣiríṣi. Tí o bá ń ṣe kan náà.
Tenny.
Hello, ọ̀rẹ́ mi.
Níbo lo ti take picture yìí?
Ṣọ́ra àwọn pictures tí mo send sí yẹn, wọ́n ṣe take in send yẹn. Don't do anything stupid. Mo kàn fẹ́ kó o mọ̀ pé ọ̀rọ̀ àwọn ọkùnrin bíntín báyìí ni. Kò láyọ̀ lè. Wọ́n ò tiẹ̀ just má bàrà jẹ́ bẹ́ẹ̀ yẹn dè má ṣe nǹkan kan. Èmi náà máa rí ẹni next week ṣùgbọ́n.
Ó ṣé Tenny. Ó ṣé gan. Thank you.
Take care. Ilé ayé máa lè. Àwọn ọkùnrin wa kí la fẹ́ fún wa fún wọn ṣe báyìí sí. Kò sí bó ṣe bu egbò ló wọn báyìí tí ò ní rún gbẹ.
Ìyàwó ẹ̀ wá o.
Túnjí Adédèjì Thomas.
Mo ṣe ní kí n pẹ́ náà ni. Ó ti ẹ̀ dúró kí n débi kó tó máa pè mí.
Níbo lẹ wà?
Hotel room mi, of course.
Ìwọ àti tani?
Mi nìkan náà ni.
Túnjí, mo bi ẹ́ lẹ́ẹ̀kan sí. Ìwọ àti ta ni ẹ jọ wà ní hòtẹ́ẹ̀lì yẹn?
Wo, èmi nìkan mo wà ń bí ṣe.
Túnjí, mo máa send àwọn pictures kan sí ẹ ń sìn. Bóyá ó máa wá trigger brain ẹ láti mọ ìdáhùn sí ìbéèrè tí mo bi ẹ́.
Yemi, hello?
Now tell me, ìwọ àti ta lẹ jọ wà lóòtẹ́ẹ̀lì?
Èmi nìkan mo wà ń bí ṣe. I can explain.
Explain what? Tunji, I thought you were different. I thought you were different from every other man I've ever seen in my life.
Oh.
Mi ò mọ̀ pé kan náà ni gbogbo ẹ̀yin ọkùnrin. Aláìnítìjú àgbàyà. Ẹni tí ò ní kan ṣe láyé òun lẹ̀yin ọkùnrin. Tunji. Oh my goodness. I thought I was the luckiest woman on earth. Bá ti sọ fún mi pé personal retreat ló fẹ́ lọ ṣe pẹ̀lú mistress ẹ.
Alẹ́ mi.
Àṣé òótọ́ ni tó bá ti sọ pé èèyàn ọkùnrin ẹ̀ lọ́rùn. Ẹlẹ́dàá mi á dẹ̀ dá fún ẹ. Ẹlẹ́dàá mi á dá fún ẹ, Túnjí. Pẹ̀lú gbogbo nǹkan tí mo bẹ́ẹ̀ ṣe, pẹ̀lú bí mo bẹ́ẹ̀ gbé pẹ̀lú inú òtítọ́. Túnjí.
Wo kò rí bẹ́ẹ̀.
Ó dàbọ̀.
Hello?
Na love it to keep marriage, love. Na trust me to keep marriage, trust you. Category ló ti better, but respect me. Na love it to keep marriage, love. Na trust me to keep marriage, trust you. Àti gbọ́ráyé ló ti bẹ́tà. Gbọ́ráyé o. Make I respect you, make you respect me o. Na love fit to keep marriage o. Love. Na trust fit to keep marriage o. Trust you. Àti gbọ́ráyé ló ti bẹ́tà. Gbọ́ráyé o. Make I respect you, make you respect me o. Respect me. Na love me to keep marriage, love. Na trust me to keep marriage, trust. Àti gbọ́ráyé ló ti bẹ́tà. Gbọ́ráyé o. Make I respect you, make you respect me o. Na love me to keep marriage, love. Na trust me to keep marriage, trust you. Àti gbọ́ráyé ló ti bẹ́tà. Gbọ́ráyé o. Make I respect you, make you respect me o. Respect me. Na love me to keep marriage, love. Na trust me to keep marriage, trust you. Àti gbọ́ráyé ló ti bẹ́tà. Gbọ́ráyé o. I respect you, make you respect me, oh. Yeah. Na love fit to keep marriage, oh. Love, oh. Na trust fit to keep marriage, oh. Trust you. Kati gbọ́ra ye ló ti better. Gbọ́ra ye, oh. Make I respect you, make you respect me, oh. Respect me. Na love fit to keep marriage, oh. Love, oh. Na trust fit to keep marriage, oh. Trust you. Kati gbọ́ra ye ló ti better.